Hit the ground running at sunrise, we're in business. Started something, fresh vibes and moving pictures. Need a signal cause we're ready to go. Before you know it, we're on the road. Moving to the groove that shakes the ground. We really got it going now.
Siguro naman nagampanan namin ni Mami. Ayaw ko sabi niya, umiyak kayo. Cut! No.
Everything is looking A-okay. A-okay. Nothing but sunshine coming our way. Got me feeling like it's gonna be a good, good day.
Mabulang makeup ko, anak ngayon.
Take a spin, breathe it in, this is how we do it.
Uy, nawala na kong sakit ng ulo. Kinuha na ni Mark.
You can't explain, it ain't never gonna go away. Hey, it's gonna be a good, good day. Good, good day. Everything is looking A-okay. A-okay. Nothing but sunshine coming our way. Got me feeling like it's gonna be a good, good day.
Who would have thought that something as simple as adding each other on Facebook would be the beginning of our beautiful story? What seemed like a small moment became the start of something life-changing. And now I realize you were the answer to the prayer I have been waiting for.
Our first conversation was last 02 October 2022. Buti na lang, nag-chat ka sa akin para magpa-react sa isang post. Yun ang dahilan kung bakit tayo nag-start ng conversation. And that's the most memorable moment that I can't forget.
Congrats, anak. Parang kailan lang, pagkatapos ng 30 taon, kahit may asawa ka na, shortcut ko na, you're still my baby. Love you.
Love you too.
Kasi ka na. Kasi may mga kukulang yan. Pero tuloy mo lang yan.
Harap na kayo! Mami, Papa, thank you. Kasi alam ko yung sacrifice na ginawa niyo sa amin magkakapatid. Mahal na mahal namin kayong tatlo. Thank you for everything. I love you. You were the blessing that God prepared me all along. I truly believe that true love is not something we chase. It is something we pray for, trust in, and patiently wait for until it arrives at the right time. Thank you. Mahal, ang pusong ito ay simbolo ng aking dalisay at walang katapusang pag-ibig para sa babaeng nagkumpleto ng buhay ko. Kaya at suotin mo ito bilang paalala na mula sa araw na ang ating kasal, ang puso natin ay iisa na habang buhay. I love you so much, mahal. Thank you, Ma'am! Ay, hello po. Thank you po. Sorry po, pawis ako. Thank you po, sir.
Sir ka dyan.
Ito ang i-clean lang nito.
Okay lang yan.
Okay lang?
Oo.
Sige.
Crystal Joy, ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Mark Ferdinand na narito ngayon alinsulot sa batas at mga atinto nating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Sana magustuhan mo to, lalo na yung shoes. For your running era. I can't wait to spend forever with you. I love you always. Love, Mrs. Mariano. Maraming salamat sa inyo sa pagpapalaki sa akin. Nakabot po ako sa pagkakataon na ito. Maraming salamat po sa gabay. Huwag po kayong magsawa na ako'y gabayan. Maraming salamat po. Mahal ko po kayo. I thank God for this event. Next, to our parents. Kasi kung wala sila, wala tayo dito. Thank you, mahal. Dahil tinanggap mo ako bilang iyong kabiyak sa buhay.
Always remember that it always be you, the one I choose today, tomorrow, and every day for the rest of my life. You are my home, my heart, and my greatest blessing. And for the rest of my days, I will love you faithfully, completely, and endlessly. Thank you for staying by my side, not only during my best moments, but also during my most difficult ones. You stay, you understood, and you love me even more. And because of that, I know that your love for me is real, deep, and
Mark Ferdinand, pwede mo nang ibigay ang iyong halik kay Crystal Joy.
Walang katapusang pasasalamat sa iyo at walang katapusan kitang mamahalin, mahal. I love you.
with you, I have finally found my forever and my happiness. I love you so much, Mark Ferdinand C. Mariano.